Savage here. This is the most ultimate man cave we've ever built.
Let me show you how we built the most ultimate man cave. It started from the ground up. Double car garage right here. We made it into a single car garage, added this window, poured a slab, framed it in, and I want to show you some of the construction videos of us actually doing it. Okay. After the concrete, we got it framed out, hurricanes every other stud. We then dried it in, got our weather barrier up, rough electric done. We also had to come in here and tap into this water because they wanted a soft water system and there was an existing loop. We actually looped it over to the garage and then we have a type of soft water system that pumps the drain to the laundry room drain. So that's how that works. Yeah, and then we got it all foamed up, you can see on the left. After that, we got it stuccoed, window doors go in, and yeah, sheetrocking it up, making sure that the entire job site is kept somewhat clean in case they do concrete floors. But they end up doing some kind of vinyl floor, click and clack, floating floor. And there it is. Let's go inside and take a look. Now as we walk in here, first thing I want to point out is it's called Boss security screen right here. You're not breaking in. You better ram your car through this. You're not taking this off. You're not coming in unless you actually do some damage. As well as this door right here. Especially with some security, we got cameras all around. Here's the door, you walk in, Boss security screen. Come on in. Added a closet right here for the storage of the goods. Bathroom over here. Now look at this great wall right here. Got a little desk right here to do some work, sell some stuff. Come over here, you got the wall of guns. Here's all your options for accessories. You got your racks of guns. I mean, check this out. We have AKs, we got an MP5, an H&K, everything. And we got a Galil. You know, we got everything you can imagine. We got it right here. Super cool guns. Check this one out. This is my favorite. I'm actually gonna come and get me one of these. H&K. This is the 22 version. I'm gonna get me the 9mm. I think this is badass. Get the bifold stock. That'd be super cool. Boom. Over here we got the wall of pistols. Awesome guns right here. I think this is what the actually the U.S. military carries around, if I'm not mistaken. What is this, a 6-hour P320 M17? Awesome, I think it holds 22 with one in the chamber. Sweet gun right there. Yeah, there's awesome guns right here. 1911s, P365, this is an awesome gun right here, check this out. I was talking to him, he said this is one of the premium, look at that. Sweet, clean looking. Like that. Threaded for a silencer right there. Yeah, I mean we built, and we got accessories. This is the door right here into the garage for the single car, locked up, cameras in there. Check out all these accessories, magazines, AK, flashlight, nightstick, stream light, any kind of accessories you need right here. You got everything. And we got binary triggers, all sorts of cool stuff. And check out these sights. I mean, these sights are my favorite right here. Holosun, love Holosun. I purchased a lot of guns and I'm a Holosun addict. I think it's an awesome product. I actually got, let me show you which one I got. I got this one right here. This is a 310. That's the one I got right there. 510C is what I got. A lot of cool stuff. And like, once again, check this out. You need a silencer? Boom. Silenced up. Subsonic over here. Really cool stuff. So he reached out to us and wanted all this stuff. He wanted like a thing built that's separate from the house. So we came up with it and we built it. New slab, ripped out the old slab, new slab, constructed all of this and made it fit for the customer. So this is by far the coolest man cave / office we've ever built here at Everything Residential. If you guys need something like this, you know, some kind of safe room or some kind of cool man cave built, reach out to us. We can permit it, we can engineer it, and from A to Z, we got you covered. So thank you guys for watching. If you guys Leave a comment, have any questions, we'll answer anything. Make sure you subscribe, and as always, have a good day.